Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tech videos.
Hey everyone, and in front of me is a HUAWEI GT smartwatch, a really simple device yet a really good looking one as well. Initially when I wore this watch, it didn't feel like a watch at all, but when you get used to it, shifting back to a Gear watch or an Apple Watch seems much difficult. Setting this wasn't that easy either. You need to have Huawei's health application, but it's really simple if you compare this to a Gear watch or an Apple Watch. In this watch you are getting a Cortex M4 chipset with Huawei's own Light OS. They've finally shifted from the Android Wear, and it gives you a 2 weeks battery time with constant heart monitoring, so that's a really good thing. And if you have been using a iWatch or a Samsung Gear watch or a Galaxy watch, you really need to charge it every day, and with this you don't need to charge it on a daily basis, and it's giving you a 2 weeks time, so that's really good. So what makes this smartwatch stand out amongst the competitors? It's the basic functions. So you can't get any calls from this device, but it gives you plenty of sports activities and other activities as well. So if you press this top button, you'll be getting all the things you can do with this watch: workout, the record status, the heart rate, activity, sleep, compass, weather, time and slot, and alarms. So this is the basic which you'll be getting in any other smartwatch as well. And if you press this button, it will jump directly to the sports that you can do, the activities you can do with this watch, and there are plenty of these as well. And though the color does not stand out, the screen color doesn't stand out, the resolution is not that great, but for a watch that's giving you 2 weeks of battery time, it's really good. And these are just my initial impressions. Maybe after using it for a month or so, I might change my views and I will shift back to the Gear watch, but initially I really like this watch as well. And if you want to see a comparison video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I will be comparing this with my Gear watch as well, and you will see the difference between both of these. So make sure you're subscribed. Until then, see you again soon.